Yo, Mike, I'm walking down as I speak. See you in a bit. Right, so I haven't been vlogging today, and that's not good because apparently that's not good if you make a daily vlog. So Jacco's playing. I'm bringing the camera out. I don't have an idea what it's gonna go. I don't have an idea if it's gonna be exciting. So let's have a look. So, where are we going?
Jacco. Yeah.
So Jacco is playing together with his brother today. Different one than it's a few weeks ago. For yourself, I bet you don't. I learned from your mother, all spend the days fighting your own and that. But it was not your fault but mine, and it was your heart on the line. I really fucked it up this time, but didn't I know I did? You're not filming like this, eh? Were you filming like that? Were you filming like that? Were you filming like this? Were you filming? No? Okay. God. Right, so I decided to choose for myself. It's really early, but look at my eyes. Becoming red because I'm so tired. So I'm going home. I'm gonna sleep. And I'm really gonna enjoy that. Oh, that's gonna be great. For in the meanwhile, I have to say, as I always do, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments down below, and I will see you tomorrow.